In this example, we will determine the sample size for a confidence level with a known population standard deviation. The population standard deviation for the age of PC students is 26 years. If we want to be 95% confident that the sample mean age is within 5 years of the true population mean age, how many randomly selected students must be surveyed? Let's first record the given information. We know the population standard deviation is 26 years, and therefore sigma equals 26. We know the confidence level is 95%, and therefore CL is equal to 0.95. We want the sample mean to be within 5 years of the true population mean age, and therefore the error bound is 5 years. We're looking for the sample size, which means we're looking for n. We know from our previous work the error bound is equal to the z-score that corresponds to the confidence level times the population standard deviation divided by the square root of the sample size. And if we take this equation and solve for n, we get the equivalent equation n equals the product of z squared and sigma squared divided by the square of the error bound. The only thing we're missing here is the z-score that corresponds to a confidence level of 95%. So looking at our table here, for a confidence level of 95%, the z-score is approximately 1.96. Now that we know the z-score is 1.96, we have all the information we need to find n. We have n equals, in the numerator we have the product of the square of the z-score and the square of the population standard deviation, which gives us 1.96 squared times the square of 26. In the denominator we have the square of the error bound, which gives us divided by the square of 5. And now let's go to the calculator. We need parentheses around the numerator, so we have open parenthesis 1.96 squared times 26 squared, close parenthesis, divided by 5 squared. Enter. Notice how we don't have a whole number, we have a decimal, but of course this is the sample size, so we must give the result as a whole number, and regardless of the decimal, we should always round up, because if we round down, the sample size will not be large enough. So in this case, we say the sample size must be 104. 104 students must be surveyed. In order to be 95% confident that the sample mean will be within 5 years of the true population mean age. I hope you found this helpful.